High-low Ricicle. I didn't think I'd be ordering another knife, but a viewer, I forgot what's his YouTube name, but his Instagram name is IJustNutted69. Anyway, he showed me this cool website called DH Gate, and they sell a lot of cheapo knives, but they're really good fakes. What I bought was a fake of a Benchmade 50, or basically a clone Benchmade, and see how good it is. It was only 20 bucks, so I wasn't expecting very much, but I've been hearing a lot of good things. Yup, they cloned it quite well. It's from China, obviously. Company. Alright, so they did make it around the laws. Brilliant. And I remember Benchmade, they always have a slide through. They don't have a foldable top. At least to my knowledge, I think. Nice little sheath. Nice. Pretty tight. It's pretty neat though. You have the, I don't know if you can see that. Benchmade Balisong. The back. 440C. Come on. Which is an obvious lie, but let's find out if it is 440C, and well, I'll find out eventually if it's 440C, but it seems pretty sharp. Yeah, pretty sharp. Neato. I'll play with this a little more, and alright. Nice. Pretty cool little fake. And since it is pretty cheap, you can buy multiple of them. Not really give a crap if you beat them up and break them, abuse them. I think I might buy another one just to have. Because these are a pretty good deal for what it seems. For what it is for the money. Sandwich styled. It's alright. Pretty cool. Alright, well, I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright, so yeah, it's a little difficult to play with a knife when I'm holding the camera, but stuff like this, well, what do you expect? It's a cheap knife from China. Alright, so I'm just squeezing the handles together because it does stop. I think I had this problem before. I'm guessing it's the tang pins. They might be a little big. Well, anyway, I'm guessing the tang pins are big and I'll figure something out. But it was 20 bucks, and I'm sure it's easy fix to make it more usable, but not too bad for $20. Figure out how to make this more usable and smooth, but can't complain too much for 20.